Happy June 16th, everyone. My goodness, Dow selling off. Did we know or did we know days in advance? Of course, it's the power of the system traded in US and globally. From future stocks to Forex to S&P to Dow to options to mutual funds to anything you choose to trade from small to institutional size account. We knew days and weeks in advance that this is a reversal zone, not the place to buy into. Correct? Weeks in advance we discussed. This is your critical institutional support. This support is out, this support is next. But as market in complete panic, as market in complete free fall, and we understand how crucial this level will be this morning, the end of the minor trend. Let's ask and see what students have done this morning. And you also can see how students welcome new member as Jeff just joined this morning. So this is the start of our morning. This is Jeff's first morning logging in. This is incredible positive energy, which is a critical, crucial buffer. To be successful, you must be surrounded by positive, like-minded traders. Everyone welcoming Jeff. It is joy and pleasure to have Jeff on board. Next, students reporting what they've done this morning. Scott, week number 2 in the course. 147,000 on S&P mini future. Boom. It never gets sold. What's possible if you make an effort? Pablo, complete beginner trader when Pablo joined the course. 30 pips on oil. Stunning. Steve is killing it. NQ and Dow. 154 points, 2 trades. Stunning, amazing work. Sanjeev, $935. Done. Dow, 6 points. Flawless. Stunning. Incredible work. Joseph, hedge fund manager, updating us on what's playing it with JP. My goodness. Scott is killing it. So when you do not believe the statements from my students, you have a lot to learn. This is what's possible when student makes serious effort. Scott is killing it, quadrupling 100,000 account in 4 days. Boom. So if you've been trying for 20 years, but you come to Alpha Fibonacci course, this is what traders do in US and globally for the last 10 years. Thank you, traders, for incredible update. As we monitoring critical Alpha Fibonacci support, we knew that this support is first, correct? So if I convert this chart to 1, what do you see? My goodness, is it possible that price reversed from Alpha Fibonacci support as we were getting update with students? What is intelligent trader monitors right now? This resistance. This is your critical moment. Identical trading range on day trading chart as you see on weekly. This is crucial moment in the markets, traders. This support on weekly chart. But you don't have to wait for days, weeks and months to see the flawless perfection and precision. You see it in front of you right now on all day trading charts, identical Fibonacci levels. And if I convert this chart to 5 minutes, what do you see? My goodness, it's all the same. No matter what you trade, as you see, traders trade different instruments, different account size. We understand how critical this moment is on Dow. So here we go. Can 48 for 48 trades, SPY and Bitcoin killing it. So as you can see, this is what's possible if you make an effort. Every trader different account, every trader different experience. These are positive, powerful, precise, strategic alpha Fibonacci traders who know extremely well this is critical moment in the market. No matter if you trade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 5-minute chart, this is crucial. This will determine markets for hours to come. So when you understand the power of this level, if you understand precision of the method, you can trade in any and all market conditions. Whoa, look at the competitions. Cut 80 for 80 on gold. So, let's go back to markets, shall we? Did we know or did we know that this would be a problem? Of course. So if I convert this chart to 1, what do you see? As you witness on institutional charts, you're witnessing in front of your day trading charts the precision and power of the levels. What would we like to see? Powerful pullback to alpha Fibonacci support. If there is no powerful pullback, markets will become brutal. So this is a critical bullish trade in front of you traders. And this is a part we're discussing with students. That this is crucial moment in the markets. Intelligent trader understands and knows this clearly. Intelligent trader understands market in brutal place. Bullish crawl is on. Pain is on. This is critical alpha Fibonacci resistance. After this level, this is next. One step at a time. This is a problem in front of you now. Clear on this? This is the end of the minor trend. Market in very nasty place. Intelligent trader protecting profits, moving the stop outside of break even. Correct? Price is stuck. Again, for the trading room, trade converted to 1-minute chart. So when market is so brutal, when market in such challenging place, intelligent trader is not surprised. Understanding clearly. Price is stuck at resistance. Ideally, we would love the market to collapse, to crash and burn. Market extremely high. What is the problem? There are no shorts, only longs are present, zero shorts here. This is critical moment. This is proprietary end of minor trend. So here we go, traders. Trail very, very carefully. Move your stop outside of 26,100. Let me show you identical example on Amazon. This is Amazon in 2018. Identical alpha Fibonacci structure. What do you see ahead? Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. When price reaches reversal zone, shock or not, despite spectacular earnings, Amazon crushes $700 per share. If you can trade one, you can trade them all. How is it possible that Dow 1-minute chart will be identical to Amazon? Of course, pure price is all that matters. If you can trade one, you can trade them all. This is crucial trend target. Stop outside of DP1 is critical. If you will ever choose to disrespect as a target, success is not possible. This is crucial day trading moment as it was on Amazon for many, many months. Here's S&P 2016 prior to election. The end of the minor trend is reached. It's a brick wall. It's brutal. For 6 months, price respecting this level. So when price retraces prior to election, Alpha Fibonacci traders much smarter than Soros. They're not shorting the market when Trump wins the election. They're buying the bottom, and that's when price reaches next level. If you can trade 1 minute, you can trade weekly. If day trading not your cup of tea, use everything for long-term investment and option trading decisions. And when price reaches Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, intelligent trader knows what to do. And when price reaches decision point 2 again, 2019, where buyers step in from, you witness once again the power of Alpha Fibonacci predictive, precise, powerful system. So that's what we're dealing with now. All in front of you on 1 minute Dow. My goodness, how is it possible? Amazon monthly and weekly and S&P weekly is the same as 1 minute Dow? Of course. That's the reason you see traders trading system on anything they choose. Correct? Choice is yours. And that's the power of serious, positive, intelligent traders, many of whom tried for 20 plus years. Do you want to trade in Q? Why not? Do you want to trade S&P? Do you want to trade oil? Do you want to trade Dow? Every trader, different instrument. Scott, phenomenal work. Steve, amazing. Ken is killing it. Huge competition, 48 for 48 or 80 for 80. Crypto with SPY for Ken, Scott, S&P and gold. Traders supporting each other as Dow remains stuck as Amazon have done. And that's spectacular, amazing work. You decide what you want to trade. Done is practicing, sharing. Time to go live. Doubled demo account. And that's the power of strategic Alpha Fibonacci system. On different account, on different instrument, you decide what you want to trade. From small retail size accounts to institutional to hedge fund accounts in this room this morning. Absolutely up to you. What instrument, what account size you decide to trade. As Dow remains stuck as Amazon have done. Did we know or did we know that this is critical moment? Of course. That's the power of Alpha Fibonacci system traded all over the world. So every week we upload a new podcast. Please come back to the podcast section and listen to more podcasts as traders all over the world sharing their journeys, sharing their struggles, sharing their successes. Never been the best time to sign up for the course and system. This is the biggest discount ever offered in 10 years due to current crisis. $2,000 off from each package. All packages come with live classes, group course 3 months and private mentoring. Video library of hundreds of videos you can watch 24/7, modules you can read 24/7 with live classes, with live guided trading. The only difference, if you choose software for Ninja 8 or if you choose to trade or any platform. The only other difference, if you choose group course or 6 months private mentoring. 95% of private mentoring students finish the private mentoring within 3 months. When I hold your hand one-on-one, we polish your strengths, We get rid of your weaknesses. We dive much deeper into your mindset, into your execution. So please review the information, see videos from our other students on reviews, view thousands of videos on our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, simply pick up the phone and call 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders, as Dow done exactly what we knew, that there are no shorts in this market. Dow skyrocketed as Amazon have done. This was critical, crucial moment. And what will play out next? At reversal zone will determine markets for the remainder of the day. Intelligent trader demands powerful pullback. Intelligent trader not speculating, not chasing the markets. Every trade, different stop, different target. You decide what trade you want to take. You decide risk management on your account as clearly. So from all the statements from students, every trade is different. Choice is yours. What trade you decide to take. Only you know if you trade $5,000 account or 50,000 or 500,000 or 5 million or 5 billion account. All of those traders trading now. Alpha Fibonacci system. Ultimate flexibility on your stop, on your trade. Ultimate flexibility on your account. Choice is yours. And when the price will collapse from reversal zone, it's such a beautiful news. And if price remains stuck, nothing here to do. A strategic intelligent trader knows. That's the power of proprietary alpha Fibonacci system.